I want to see if Cristelle is there so she can share with you guys. She's the one I showed you. She went from rock bottom to her fourth million in 15 months. Are you there, my friend?
Hey, I'm yeah. Hi, how are you?
Good. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you so much for having me. Oh my word, I am my mind still is flabbergasting how what this can do in your life. I also I was a mommy that was working two jobs for about a year. I was working for two foreign companies, 4 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock at night, working 14-hour days, a 70-hour week with a little 2-year-old girl. I'm a single mom, and it was incredibly stressful. And after about a year, within 2 weeks, I lost both my jobs. And I think it was just, I think God just said, "You're not enough is enough." And like I said, I was in a really difficult state because I didn't have a backup. I didn't have financial backup because I was living month to month, like most of us do. So I started looking online for an opportunity, and I came across digital marketing, but I didn't have the money to start because at the time, because I lost both my jobs, I literally could not even afford my own groceries. For 2.5 months, my mom had to purchase my groceries for me at the age of 46. And I was like, how did this happen? That at 46, I couldn't even afford my groceries. So I stumbled across digital marketing, and about 3 weeks later, my mom said to me, "Okay, do you know what? I will help you with this program." And my mom purchased my program for me. I didn't even have the money to start, and that is also an inspiration because if this is something that you really want to do, a lot of people say that they don't have the money, but they make a plan to do that. I mean, I borrowed the money. There's people in our community. Victoria Romain had to do pet sitting, sorry, house sitting, and she was cleaning homes and minding children just to get the money together. Because if you want to do something, you'll find a way. So with my first month, didn't make money. And once I applied what this program taught me, I started earning money. It's now been 15 months. I just hit my fourth million as a South African, which is insane. But a lot of the questions that I've also seen in the comments is this a program just to sell a program? After 15 months, Michelle has in her in Michelle's style ripped me out of my comfort zone, and I'm at the point of creating my own community, where I would be able to monetize the skills that I've learned. That's mine. That's in my head, skills that no one can take away from me, that I can then go and utilize where I would want. It's mine. That's why this can never saturate, because it's your skill that you utilize on what you want, on what your dreams and your passion is. Even if it isn't digital marketing, if it's a cookbook or if it's inspiring mommies. With the skills that I've learned over the last 15 months, I will now be able to create um, strategies paid for that can be purchased for specific social media platforms where I can share my knowledge, and earn from that. And that becomes another income stream. Because one single yes that I said 15 months ago, and I became coachable, and I attended what this was doing. I had gone from losing two businesses. I had gone from the bank repossessing my car to within the last year buying two cars cash. I bought my mom a car cash for her birthday to say thank you for what she's done for me. She couldn't even afford her car service, and I could buy her a car to say thank you for believing in me. My son is on a 6 month exploratory holiday overseas. Prior to this, I couldn't even go on holiday for 12 years. And suddenly, every dream that we have is becoming a reality. And I can give my children the dreams that they have. I can give my parents the life and the retirement that they deserve. I'm retiring my mom this year. It's like enough. Now she needs to start, she deserves to live her golden years peacefully, and also in luxury and restful, and not work herself to the bone, because a lot of people don't have the retirement plan for. And that is what this is giving you, whether you're 18 or 80, or whether you are in Finland or in South Africa. This is for anyone that want to make a change. There is no discrimination, and it's affordable, and you can build yourself up. It is the best investment you will ever make in yourself. The value you get here to be trained every single day by a dollar millionaire like Michelle that just pours her knowledge into us. That's just been on a mastermind herself where she's invested $50,000 in herself. And that is the experience that she invests in us. She's just taking us to the top. So if you are ready to change your 2025, you are in the right place, my friend. This is where you would want to be. Oh, good. I'm so grateful. I will buy this program again.
Oh my gosh, I love that. There's